Jesus,
I am not a
Jesus.
songwriter. I am not a singer. Mm. But you know me already. Just kinda catch up that little song, yeah. Name Jesus, Jesus. Jesus, Jesus. I am calling you from the depths of my heart. Please don't turn away from me. Jesus, Jesus, as I lay my head to sleep, I can see you're watching over me, guarding my soul from the devil's terrain. Oh Lord, I lift up my soul unto thee. Never let my enemies and my foes triumph over me. Lord, I am nothing without you. Show me thy ways and lead me in thy truth, O Lord. Your tender mercies and loving kindness is sure as the break of day. Lord, the troubles of my heart are many, the afflictions and pains are unbearable. Consider my enemies, for they are many. They have hated me without a cause. Lord, take hold of shield and butler and stand up for my help. Let their way be dark and slippery, and let the angels of the Lord persecute them. Jesus, Jesus, I am calling, calling, calling you from the depths of my heart.